Welcome on a new TRENDRISK training video and an update on eur-usd. So we have seen that the eur-usd has tested two times tip down, one here where I close my trade, and again here, and restarted to go up. The trend is up on the hourly time frame and the 4-hour time frame. And after reaching new high, is now starting a correction, and the correction is aiming down to the tip down level at 149.26 at the moment, and stop tip down on 149.10. On my screen I have the 4-hour tip down and tip up, the red dotted line, this one. The blue line is the 50-minute tip up and tip down, and the small red dotted line is the 5 minutes. At the moment there is the correction is going down. As I said, there's a tip down hourly, and we need to see how it works in this area. If the movement stops here, there is a possibility to buy for the target, which is at 156.72. And if not, if there is a sustained break of this area, we have a possibility to see a correction on a 4-hour time frame, so reaching the 4-hour time frame tip down, which has not been reached for a long time. So there is a possibility, even though the trend seems to be very strong. So in this case, the break of 150 level was just sort of a bull trap, even though the trend is still up on the hourly and the 4-hour. I want also to show you the 5 minutes, and show you how the trend here. It's reached high and it started a correction, and here even though it's a downtrend on the 5 minutes, the trend indicators did not change, and this is because the trend was not so strong to close for 3 consecutive times below tip down, and it did here, and at the moment is correcting a little bit, but as you see, the target of the 5 minutes is now at the same level of the tip down hourly. But this is a point when if you understand the algorithm, it's a mechanical algorithm. You can see anyway that the trend, the 5 minutes, this slide here was starting to be a correction, and when it arrives here at tip up on the 5 minutes, and it's also here on the multi-time frame, you see this is an hourly, and it closes here and it comes back. This is an indication that the correction has more power, and it could arrive down to the tip down hourly, which is what is actually happening now. So at the moment, to summarize, let's wait for the test of 149.2610, see how it goes, and I will see if I place a trade there. I will have to look how the eur-usd will act on this level, and if I have a trade, I will post on the blog, and if I see a sustained break, I will wait to 148.11 to try to put a trade long, because we are still in an uptrend.